he's worried about the future and he wants that kind of safeguard that, you know.
I'm saying let's treat it as a something like a retirement thing.
I understand.
So how will I do it? I just want help.
Very frankly, he feels that if he does not earn anything anymore, in the
There
worst
should
case
be enough where he's not dependent on somebody.
Yeah.
Correct, yes.
his present corpus should ensure adequacy of return. So
You have to create a portfolio only, in terms
so
of
he
assets.
does. I mean, I'm also not financial.
Yeah, so that,
See, right now
that
he
steps
only
will
had his
be-
money open.
Yeah.
Few FDs have been made now, and some are in mutual funds, and some are still open.
It was badly managed earlier.
This is the first goal, is this money. Like whatever money he has invested in a way that he gets
Right.
some returns.
So that I know that this is the amount.
This
of
is the
money
amount he's
that you
getting
can
every
earn.
month, then he can plan accordingly to give up this house.
I don't mind going to a green, secluded place like
Right.
Goa or
Right.
Pavna.
stay.
You were quite happy whenever you've gone to Pavna, I
Pavna.
remember. So
Yeah.
we there for days till I was like, what is going on?
So that's just
Whatever is going to give you peace of
you have to stop
यार मुझे एक black coffee देते.
spending as soon as possible.
Give me the
Yeah.
All the things.
Huh?
Give me the cards. I keep them with me if you want spend.
There are no for any other expenses but the house functioning and the staff costs.
Right.
Which I told him for 1 or 2 months, let it be as it is till you guys come up with a plan, until he's certain that this is not a phase but this is only how he feels now and it's not functional at all.
Yeah.
We'll give that 1-2 months. And then we can start disposing of assets and reducing stuff. So that's why I told him give it 1 or 2 months.
Pretty sure we're all confident that you are going to bounce out of this state of mind in a
Yes.
few months, if not sooner. So you still have full control at that stage, right?
Correct.
I'm just saying that we have seen cases where it has always been a part of the lifestyle. This bipolar. So in that state, I don't think acting is something that I would be able to do. Number one. Number two, I don't still know which
What
other
is-
economic structure I can get into. So in some sort of a way, I mean, like it's 50-50. It's not that we can be confident that I can come back and
But that you let us decide. You're deciding all this for yourself.
No,
Let us
this is-
decide something.
all the doctors and everything that we have been discussing this last 2 months, homework of 2.5 months.
Okay, tell me what's the end goal? Let's decide the end goal and we'll work backwards. Tell me what is the worst fear? Is
So
the
the
fear
end-
that
no,
we're going to
for-
run out of, we're not going to have any
So
financial
I'll tell
stability?
you. So I've definitely wanted in a way that if, for example, tomorrow I'm not there or Shruti's not there or Miranda's not there and there are newer people who are just there. If someone gets his card, so firstly the first thing I told them is to start making everything in FDs.
Right.
Which is why they must have called you frantically. I
right,
said, just
yeah.
put all his money in FD. So in the card there should not be more than 10-15 lakhs at any given point. That's one thing. Second thing is that money that he has, so that we can get some interest from it, so he doesn't start eating into his savings. In the best case possible that you all can come up with.
Right.
And to safeguard his money in a way where only without his signature nothing can happen. Like to break an FD.
But that's anyway it won't
That will happen. See,
Won't
that
happen.
that's
would-
already
I
in
would
place.
Move from city to
To a smaller, you have probably not that big.
either their place or
Something else that
Banks now offer services. Lawyers generally
banks have,
always
lawyers
banks
have done.
lots of
We
them.
set up trustee companies. Like for
Also.
example, I do a lot of. We handle all the Bori trusts in Sosefi Hospital and SBUT, etc. We have companies that are corporate trustees, so that it's. But
Correct.
so it really.
I have
boils
another
down to
question.
who
Now,
is
for
trust,
example, if we have, say, 10 rupees that has to go in this trust, and suppose you want to make an FD or a mutual fund of it, that still the trustees can.
The trustees will
the
decide what is
trustees
best.
will
yeah.
decide.
Will decide what is best, to
Best,
be
yeah,
done.
which
with
which
it.
has a better return rate and which less risky. And you
So
can
see,
define all that. It can be a
whoever you-
simple or a huge document, as critical as complicated.
See,
But see,
Look at
this is
this
the
way.
worst case scenario.
Yeah. I personally.
I
feel that
also
at this-
personally feel like we can come to this conclusion after a month.
Yeah, and my bigger concern is this, that honestly at this point of time, any contract that is being arrived
Right.
at is going to be null and void.
Right.
Ah.
He's not.
Hmm.
True legal definition is that you're not in a sound state of mind.
Correct.
So
you're
whatever
not
we
going to-
contract today is null and void. And that's my biggest concern.
Concern as well.
Fair enough.
So before that, I feel that setting up a trust is done in far more extreme situations. I know for us, Sushant, this is critical. I understand what what state of mind you're in, but believe you me that this is still not a situation where we would set up a trust. Okay, there are better ways of putting people in charge and monetizing your assets and making sure that it is not just going to get depleted and is enough to last you for a few years to come. There are ways to do that. Your money can work for itself and generate more income.
Exactly. We need that.
That is the concern, correct? The short.
We need
correct
that.
me if I'm wrong, but we want to make sure that okay, I should get X amount of rupees a month to make sure that my expenses, my rent, etc., is being taken care of without me needing to just deplete my savings.
Correct.